Hello students, this is Supriya Mogle. I'm working as an assistant professor at Center for Distance Education, Shivaji University, Kolhapur. So finally, I'm here to discuss about how to solve a case study of finance. Okay, students were requesting about case study of financial management. So I have prepared this video for you. In this video, we are going to see two types of case studies which are related with the financial management, and we'll see that. Before that, you have to remember some points. Okay, there are some important points which are useful for solving the case study of financial management. So basic concepts, that means first of all, ensure that you know all the basic concepts of financial management. Okay, you should have detailed knowledge of all the concepts related with finance, right from credit, debit, assets, liabilities, working capital, depreciation, accounting terms are there, then final account, cash budget, etc. There are so many concepts in the financial management or in accounting, so you have to aware about that concepts, what are their benefits, how they are going to use in the financial management, etc. You should know. And so on the basis of that, you can write a case study, and this is one of the important part. Okay, so before solving the case, I'm going to discuss what type of case is, there is case in the financial management. So listen it carefully. It is very important points for case study. Okay, then actual management situation. So case in the financial management is an actual management situation. It may have real events or problems, so that the students experience the complexities and ambiguities are controlled by a finance manager. So that means these are some management situations, and students should also know that what my finance manager does in his company. So for that, you have to think as a finance manager, or as a financial finance specialist student in the management, what you are going to do if such situations you have in your company. So for that, the case they have given for actual management situations. Then cases in different formats. The case may be in different formats. They may be a formal written case, as we have seen for HR, marketing, and production, or there may have some mathematical word problem, okay, or accounting problems are there, and where raw data is provided. Okay. Uh, and you have to solve that data step by step and answer as per your opinion. So that case study may include almost any type of problem, such as might be found in manager's daily work. So it is very important to know there are various formats of case study in finance. The next point is students should be aware about the practical problems also. As I have told you that basic concepts are really very important to write a case. Just like that, you should aware about the practical problem also. Means a case that deals with the facts and facing a financial officer or manager. So to develop a skill in making the decision. Okay, and every company or industry or business has to face that various problems. These practical problems can be solved if the efficient management decisions are there, and the problem may differ organization to organization. Hence the technique or tools used by the management are different in nature. So therefore students should aware about that practical problems. Those can be solved only when they use their own skills and knowledge very effectively. So it is very important. Then different perceptions of students. The the thinking or decision making or suggestions may be different of each student because of alternative solutions or the options given by the students as per their perception. So the perception is going to different as per the individual. Then important steps to be mentioned here. Okay, students should refer the first three steps very carefully. First three steps means you should understand the case, what it is case, and it is depend on what type of content or what is the problem here, or what is the you have to identify the problem, and then you have to think what type of solution or what solution you are going to mention here. So these are some important steps in case study that you have to mention in the answer. So the next is example I have taken here. I have mentioned the source. Okay, and example, this is for first format. Okay, in this it is a formal written case. Okay, written case, just like HR and marketing we have done, same like the format is there. So we'll read the case. Okay, Somnath Limited is engaged in business of exports of garments. In the past, the performance of the company had been to the expectation. In line with latest technology, the company decided to upgrade its machinery, and for this, the finance manager, Dalmia, estimated the amount of funds required and the timings. This will help the company in linking the investment and the financial decisions on the continuous basis. Dalmia therefore began to the perception of sales forecast for the next 4 years. He also collected the relevant data about the profit estimates in the coming years. By doing this, he wanted to be sure about availability of funds from the internal sources of the business. For the remaining funds, he is trying to find out alternative sources from the outside. So this is the case. This is a short case, okay? And you should be, read first the question what is given here, and on the basis of that question, you are going to write full case, okay? So the question is, justify the financial concept discussed in the above para. Also state the objectives or objectives to be achieved by the use of financial concept so identified. So you can write first, you have to read the case study 2 to 3 times and read the questions given below in the last paragraph. And this case is all about the financial concepts. Here you can see they have written here financial concept, but which financial concept that we need to identify here by reading this case. Okay, so first is writing a summary, same step. In this you can write there is a company name as Somnath Limited. See here, I have not written the full case study. Okay, I'm going to explain it, and you have to note it down. As I'm explaining, you write it down how you are going to write it. Okay. I will explain you this case study is written format. Okay, and in this case study, they have said that financial concept related case study, and which financial concept is there that we have to identify here. So this is very important that you should know the various financial concepts are there in the financial management. So first write down the summary, like there is a company named as Somnath Limited and it deals with exports of garments. Now to be line in the technology, it wants to upgrade the machineries. Okay, they have discussed here. Okay, latest technology. Then so the finance manager is making the decision. Okay, so first you have to think that what they have highlighted the points. Okay, first of all, it is a company which is exporting the garments. They are going to have a new technology. Okay, then they have estimated the amount of funds are required and timings also. And the next is C, begin with the preparation. They have done so sales forecasting for the next 4 years. Then he also collected the relevant data about profit estimations in the coming years, and he wanted to be sure about the availability of funds. So these are some highlighted points. So first is write down the summary. So summary, I'm going to explain you. There is a company named as a Somnath Limited. It deals with export of garments. Now, to be line with the technology, it wants to upgrade the machineries. So the finance manager is making the decision, okay, of how to obtain the finance. For this, what he has done sales forecasting for the next how many years? 4 years, for the next coming 4 years. And he is also planning for what should be the sources of finance, how much internal and external. So in short, he wants to upgrade the machineries, and he has, done the sales forecasting also for coming 4 years. And then he is also planning for what should be the sources of finance. Okay, what should be the sources of funds, like external or internal, and in the internal how much it should be, and in the external how much it should be. So this he has done. So on the basis of this, we have to identify the financial concept used here. What do you think, what he has done in this case study? What is this financial concept? So try to find out the highlight points given in the case study. And now it is very clear that if he is studying the availability of funds, or he is trying to forecast about the sales coming 4 years, that means it is very clear that it is ensuring the availability of funds, and he is also sure about there is no lack of funds. So according to this, we can say the financial concept used here is financial planning. Okay, financial planning. So this concept is used here, financial planning. So in this financial planning involves, you have to write about financial planning in the case. Like financial planning involves identifying the sources from where the funds can be obtained, or ensuring that the required funds are available to the firms. Okay, so you can write here about financial planning, what is it, or what is the main motto of financial planning. So about it, it includes identifying the sources from where the funds can be raised, and ensure that the required funds are available as per the requirements. And it is also said in the financial planning that proper utilization should be there. Okay, it should not be surplus, or it should not be inadequate fund. So this is everything is included in the financial planning. So I hope you understood how to write the case study. First, you have to write the summary. Then, in identification of problem, you can write that about that question what they have asked. Okay, so it is you can write like it is necessary to obtain which financial concept is used here. So you can write that, and you can write facts and figures, like there are some facts they have given, like sales forecasting, or availability of funds, or planning for next coming 4 years. And he is also you know thinking about internal sources and external sources, and he has a guarantee that there is no lack of funds. So these highlighted points you can write in facts and figure, and then in the next part, you have to write about the question answer about that question, like this case study is depend on the financial planning. So write about financial planning and link with this case, means if he is having sales forecasting, then or he is obtaining about or thinking about the availability of funds. So this means this is the financial planning. So like this, you are going to have various concepts in the written form, and you have to write about that. But the basic concept is you should know that what type of concepts are there and why they are used in the finance, what are their advantages, what are their merits, what are their demerits also. So you should have that knowledge about that concept, and this as per I have explained the case study, you have to write as per your opinion. Okay. So the format two, okay, first format was written format, and second format is accounting problem, or it is a mathematical model of accounting. So this case is I have given from your sim only. Case on financial analysis. They have already said that it is on financial analysis. So here you can see the balance sheet is given. Okay. Now you are very well known about it as you are finance specialist students. Okay, so you know better than me that balance sheet, that means there is two columns like assets and liabilities. So assets and liabilities are given here, and other information is also mentioned. Okay, we'll go to the next slide. Okay. So other information is given here. Okay, liability and assets are there. So you can write in the summary that this case or this is case study is on financial analysis, balance sheet is given, and assets and liabilities are mentioned, and other information related is mentioned also. And in the facts and figure, you can write those other information they have highlighted, and after that you have to read the question. Okay, then you will get the idea what you have to write exactly, or what you have to do in this case exactly. So you can read here, you are working as a finance manager in the company, and you have to comment on the profitability, liquidity, and solvency of the company, and submit a report to the management. So as a finance manager, suppose you are a finance manager in that company. So as a finance manager, you have to prepare a report in which you have to comment on profitability of the company. So as the finance student, you should first know what is the balance sheet. Okay, you should know about the balance sheet, what is liability, what is asset, and from this balance sheet, how you are going to decide the profitability of a company. So the balance sheet is used to, as you know, this is used to determine if business has enough working capital to sustain its operation. Okay, that means from using the balance sheet, you can determine the business has enough working capital or not to sustain its operations. So there are so many uses of balance sheet, and you should know about that. On the basis of that, you can write the case. So here in the finance case study, you don't have to write step by step. Okay, it is different from HR, marketing, and production. There is written case study where you have to write a summary, then identification of problem, then alternative solutions, and then best solution. But financial case study is different from that. Here the mathematical model is also given, and you have to solve that that questions as per given. It is depend on various types of finance concepts. So you have to solve that problem, and you have to write on the interpretation on the basis basis of that solution. So here it is not required to write all the steps, just write summary and then identification of problem. In the identification of problem you just write here that that it is necessary to check or measure the performance of the finance department, so that profitability and liquidity and solvency of the company we have to measure, or we have to calculate first, and then we have to prepare a report so that we can say that what the position of the company. We can think about, or we can have one decision regarding the company. Is it on right track or not? So this type of explanation will be written in the identification of problem, and then start writing it. Okay, in this what you're going to write now. First thing is clear that this is about balance sheet. Okay, so write down some theory about balance sheet. Means what is the use of balance sheet? Like balance sheet is used to determine if the business has enough working capital to sustain its operation, or the difference of total asset and total liabilities shows the business net worth. Also we can determine if the company can sustain future operations. For that, look at the value of its non-current assets, such as property or plants or equipments. Okay, and if the total of is higher than the current assets, it means the company has plans to sustain the future operation. So these are some concepts regarding balance sheet that you should know. Okay, so these are some uses of balance sheet. So you have to mention these points in the solution, and it is not necessary to write proper set steps. Okay, it is up to you how you are going to present it, and how you are going to explain it beautifully. So marks are depend on that. So let's comes to the question again. It has said about profitability, liquidity and solvency. Okay, so here you can see profitability, liquidity and solvency, three main concepts they have given here, and you have to comment on that. So first you should know what is profitability, how to calculate it, liquidity, solvency, etc. So here you have to calculate the ratios which indicate the position. Okay, means what type of calculations are required for profitability. So, just like profitability, if you want to calculate, then return on investment is necessary, or return on net capital, liquid ratio, or debt equity ratio, etc. You have to calculate first. And then the most important part here is you should know the formulas. Okay, then only you can calculate these values. So again I am saying that basic concepts are very important here. You should uh, know the basic concept and the formulas which are used in the finance. Okay, and on the basis of this, after each and every calculation you have to write an interpretation. That means suppose I have calculated return on investment. Okay, after calculating ROI, you can interpret whether the company is fulfilling the desired management or not, so that you can write company's profitability is poor or company's profitability is good. So on that basis you can write. And just like that, you can interpret about liquidity, or interpret about solvency, the values which are coming after calculation. On the basis of that you have to write, uh, uh, you have to you can mention that on the basis of these points, and finance manager then can prepare a report and submit it. So then any issues regarding the finance, Okay, they can review that report and take corrective actions to maximize the profit. So after that you have to write one paragraph regarding it, that about commenting about the company. So make a para, you have to explain as per your opinion how beautifully you are going to present it. It is a very important part in the case study. Okay, so after calculating all these concepts, you are going to have some values, and on the basis of that values you can comment on that whether they are on right track, whether they are having the profits, or the company is going it is growing as per the requirements, or planning is going as per the requirements, or the executions of any strategies is going right. So this type of interpretation you can write here, and after that you can mention that any issues regarding finance can be reviewed by using this report, and if there are some corrections are needed, or the performance is not good as per the requirement. So to to meet with the standard performance, what type of corrections or what type of action should be taken. So you can on that, the report is prepared by the finance manager, the corrective actions can be taken to maximize the profit. And suppose the profit is very good, then you can write the company is doing very well, and they have worked very well, and there is a good image of the company, or they are having profit as per their work. So this type of comments you can write there on the basis of the values you have calculated. So this is about the case study of finance. I hope you understood very clearly. It is based on, this case study was based on a balance sheet. Okay, so you have to write on assets and liabilities and the uses, but there are some other cases also, means on other concepts you have to write on that concepts only, related with that concept you have to solve that values, that formulas, etc. And then first of all it is very important, read the question. On that question you have to write the full case. You have to identify that problem and write about that concept only. In the written form of question there was a there you have to write about summary, then identification of problem, then question answers, etc. And in this type of videos you have to calculate the values, and then have a comment or have a interpretation or analysis of that calculated data. So this is about the financial case study. I hope you understood. So here I complete my video. I hope you cleared the concept, and refer your books. There are so many cases, short cases and long cases are also there, and they are with solutions. They have given their interpretation and analysis of that case. So read that 2 to 3 times you have to read, then after practicing it will be easy to you. Try to search on internet also, you will get various examples on case studies of finance management. So try to solve that also, then you will be expert in solving the case study. Okay, thank you so much.